Hi guys, guess where I am? And I've got a small violin over here. Actually, it's the Osmo. Peter, not your average guy, on the Never Mind Your Own YouTube channel. So I've got the Osmo. It's nice. It's better than the handheld gimbal that I had. You can do a nice little trick with it. 1, 2, and the camera turns the other way. So I can film where I am. And where am I? I am in a very nice location. This is a 300 years old house. This furniture is 100 years old. That's what the owner told me. And I'm in Cyprus. And you can, there's a little joystick on it, so I can direct the camera. That's fun. I will walk you through the house, all right? I'm in Cyprus. I booked another holiday. Finally, I didn't go anywhere this summer. But this is the fun about Airbnb. So this is the kitchen. It's a large kitchen, a little bit simple, but it is nice. But the great thing is, look, there is a terrace over here. A very big one, and it's entirely mine. And I also have an office. You see that? I got all my stuff over here, my laptop, I can charge my batteries. And it's an office with a view. Look at this. Isn't that nice? Wow. And I deliberately choose this location because it has a terrace like here, so I can launch my drone. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna launch the drone. The ocean is out there, but you cannot see it from here. There's all small hills, and there's all hills, you see that? And I'm at the edge of a village, so I can just fly the drone in that direction without flying over any houses or whatever. But it's not gonna be a big deal over here. And of course there is a bedroom, and there is, what is here? There's another terrace. There's another terrace over here. Look, you see that? You can sit on the couch. So I have 2 terraces. And then there is a shower, of course, with the toilet. So that's my location. But I've got some more news, very good news. I'm gonna stay here a couple of days. What is this? So DJI came with a new drone, Mavic Air. You know that I had the Spark and I gave it away to one of you guys. I love the Spark, but my thoughts about the Spark was like, it's really nice drone, but it should have 3-axis gimbal instead of 2, and it should be 4K. I mean, why not 4K? And guess what? DJI came with a drone with exactly that, and it's over here. And look how small this is. This is just as big as the Spark, and then there's a carrying bag for all the accessories. And this is funny. I have a stand that comes with the Osmo, so I can put it here and then film myself. So this is the Mavic Air, and I did have a quick look at it, but I did not use it at all at this moment. So It's a little bit bigger than the Spark, but not much. But as you can see, the arms are foldable, and that is really nice. I like that a lot because now it's so compact. Okay, let's see what we have to do. Like this, and like this, and like this, and like this. And there it is. Oh, and here is the landing gear. You switch it open like that. Also very nice, there is a protection cap for the camera, so if you transport it, it will not get damaged. Very, very good. Really, really nice. And of course, I'm very anxious to see how the footage is, because this camera is so much smaller than that from the Phantom Pro. So I guess the quality would be less, but I was pretty impressed by the quality from the Spark. So it might be really good actually. It also has sensors on the front, sensors on the back, and sensors at the bottom. So it's like fully equipped. No sensors on the sides, but I wasn't too happy with the sensors on the side on the Phantom 4 Pro, because you could only use it in one specific mode and not in the default mode. Okay, so what more do we have in here? There's a controller, and the good thing about the controller is that the sticks are not on it, so it's easy to put it away like this, and then the sticks are inside here, so that's really funny. And you can screw them on and they're good. Same antennas as the Spark. And very interesting, over here there is a plug with a cable, and it runs over here, and it means you can connect to your phone through a cable, and that's better than through Wi-Fi. Not so much lag, more reliable connection. Very good, I like it. It's actually more like a hybrid between the Spark and the Mavic. Okay, so I have the Fly More combo, and then what you get is 2 sets of extra propellers. Here is a charging cable, USB battery charging plug, some spare sticks for the controller, and something like an adapter. And this is a little bit weird, because you have this USB-C cable, and then you have to put this adapter on here like this, and then you can put that one in here to charge the controller. And I was fooled a little bit when I looked at it the first time, because this plug, can you see that? You can see it's like square, where a normal USB is a little bit different. So I thought it were different plugs, but it's not. It's just a normal USB, and you can put a micro USB in here to charge it. And then there are a couple more cables, because this one is for the iPhone, and then you have another one for the Samsung phone, which I have, and there's also some these little things, and they fit on the back of this plug like this, and that is so it can glide through here like this. The only disadvantage I have right now is that I need my phone to record with the Osmo, and I also need my phone to record with the Mavic Air. So I have to make an important choice. Oh wait, we have more here. So there's two more batteries, 1, 2. They say 21 minutes flight time. And there's the charger and a charging hub for the batteries. Also nice, it's foldable, so it's really small if you want to take it with you. Okay, I think I'm ready to have a test flight, and let's do that. Okay, I'm gonna check some. Okay, what I did, I had to update the firmware for the controller and the aircraft. I put on the little device so I can locate it if it's out there somewhere and I kind of lost it. Now I want to check the settings. It's already getting a little bit dark. No SIM card. Remote controller battery low. Okay. So as you can see, I have hooked up the hook audio, 3D audio, like this. And let's see how that's gonna work. Well, unfortunately, it starts to rain. As you can see, so it means I have to break off this operation. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow. And yes, I have the hook 3D audio in now because I want to try that out too. I had the other microphone, the big one, that is the one that you can order with the Osmo. I wanted to try that as well because obviously I cannot have the hook on the Osmo because the Osmo is handheld, but like this, that's okay. So I need a separate microphone for the Osmo. This is the standard microphone that comes with it, and the other one you can attach to this. I'm just trying out several options and see what works best. Why is it raining now? I cannot fly like this.